Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sydney. If you are new here, I am a Poshmark seller. I've been selling on Poshmark since 2014 and I was a PoshFest closet consultant last year in Dallas. Today I want to talk about something that came up I think yesterday in my PoshBoss HQ Facebook group. If you are not a member, it's totally free. I'll link it down below. But somebody had a really interesting Poshmark encounter that happened to them, and this is the first time I've ever heard of this happening. I'm not saying it's the first time it's ever happened. It's the first time I've ever read about it happening. But it's about drop shipping. So I really want to talk about this because a lot of people who sell on Poshmark don't really know what drop shipping is. So we're going to talk about that in this video. First, I've had a lot of people messaging me about mystery boxes. If you would like to order a mystery box, I will put the links down below. I have 2 specials on them right now. I have 5 pieces and 10 pieces available, but today is going to be the last day that you can order a mystery box from me until further notice. I have a lot of traveling coming up. I'm going out of town, I'm going on trips. So I'm gonna leave the link up under this video to order for the next 24 hours after I post this video. After 24 hours, I will be closing the orders. I'm gonna remove the links just to make sure that I have plenty of time to pack and ship all of the orders. I have plenty of orders to ship out this week, so anything that's ordered this week, I'm going to have shipped out by next week. I am leaving on next Friday. So if you would like to order a mystery box, please do that within the next 24 hours of seeing this video. Today is Tuesday, July the 9th. So tomorrow night at midnight, I'm going to be removing the links and deactivating the links for orders just to make sure that I have enough time to ship the order. Okay, so let's talk about drop shipping. If you have never heard of drop shipping is where you list an item for sale and you don't actually have the item. The item is somewhere else. A lot of people get these items off of Amazon, from other eBay sellers, from other sellers. And so basically the customer places the order with the seller for an item. The seller then orders the item from wherever they're getting it from and has it shipped not to them but to the customer. So say they're ordering it from Amazon. Customer places an order with them. They place an order with Amazon, putting the customer's address in, and it ships to the customer from Amazon. So it's not actually coming from them, it's coming from Amazon. So this is something that was posted in my Facebook group. Regina posted it and I'm so happy she did because this is actually a great thing to talk about. I've never heard of this happening, but apparently it is. So she said, is drop shipping allowed on Poshmark? I ordered something and it came to me from Amazon. 2 days later, I get an envelope with the Poshmark shipping label taped to it and a thank you card inside. So whoever this person is that she ordered from had the item shipped to her from Amazon, and then they used the Poshmark label, put a thank you card in an envelope, and shipped that to her using the Poshmark label. So again, I've never heard of this happening. This is like so crazy to me, but we're gonna talk about this because the comments get really interesting. So somebody brings up that the person that she ordered from could be an Amazon seller as well, and they have their inventory at Amazon's warehouse. So they actually ordered it from themselves and had it shipped to them, which is very possible, I guess. There's not really any confirmation that this person was doing that, but it's very possible that they could be an Amazon seller and just ordered it from themselves and had it shipped to the customer. But in the comments, somebody actually emailed Poshmark, which I believe it was Leslie. I want to say it was Leslie. Let me scroll. Sorry, there's a lot of comments on this post. yeah, here we go. So Leslie emailed Poshmark. So thank you, Leslie, for doing that. Saved me some time for having to do that. And Poshmark emailed back and said, we currently do not support drop shipping and ask that sellers only list items that they have on hand. So Poshmark does not want you drop shipping anything, and you shouldn't be, ever. Drop shipping, I know people make money on drop shipping, so I'm going to tell you why drop shipping is a bad idea. First off, let's pretend that this seller was not ordering from themselves and they actually are drop shipping, meaning they're ordering from a completely different seller and having the item shipped to a customer. Doing this, especially with clothing on Amazon, a lot of times Amazon sellers, you have a lot of third-party Amazon sellers who are selling clothing, and a lot of times these people steal the photos from well-known boutiques who have actually hired models and taken the time to take good photos. This happens a lot with Red Dress Boutique. I follow Diana Harbor. I followed her since like 2013 when she was on Shark Tank. She owns Red Dress Boutique, and she posts a lot about this because they have a huge problem, because all of her clothes are made in the USA. They're all amazing. They're all beautiful. She works with designers. She works with manufacturers to make these clothes. She hires models. She takes pictures of the clothes, and then these people on Amazon go and steal her photos of the clothes, chop off the heads of the models in the pictures, and just post a picture of the clothes. And the clothes that they are selling are not the actual clothes that are in the picture. They're like a horrible knockoff of the clothes. So that is a huge problem in drop shipping, is that the item in the picture that you think is being shipped to the customer may not be the actual item, or it may be an item of very poor quality that is going to make you look extremely bad, for one thing. And then people can report you to Poshmark because this person ordered and it showed up in an Amazon box, not with a Poshmark label, not anything, showed up with an Amazon box on it. So that's not good. And then the person shipped her a thank you card in an envelope with the Poshmark label. First off, Poshmark doesn't allow this. It said so in the email. So you don't want to do that. Your account can get suspended if somebody reports you. If you order something on Poshmark and this happens to you, I would encourage you to go and report the seller, because they are not supposed to do that. If you are an Amazon seller and you also want to sell things that you're selling on Amazon on Poshmark, you need to just keep a few of those with you to sell on Poshmark and send the rest of it to Amazon. Like, that just seems like an extreme headache. If somebody places an order with you, you then have to go place an order with yourself from Amazon and have it shipped to this person. Like, that's a lot of work. Just ship it yourself. Like, Poshmark has streamlined their shipping process so much. You literally just have to print out the label and ship it. It's not like it takes a long time. It's not hard. Like, it's literally the easiest shipping process of all the platforms. You get the label to your email and you print it out and you ship it. So there's really no point in drop shipping. I feel like that's creating a lot of risk for yourself, because you don't know what the customer is getting, for one thing. You have no control over what the customer is getting. You have no control over the quality. You have no control over the ship time. You have no control over anything. So drop shipping is just a very bad idea. There's a lot of risk. eBay has suspended people for drop shipping. They no longer support drop shipping. It's just very bad. It's just, this is not hard, guys. Like, I feel like that's creating so much more headache for yourself trying to drop ship stuff. I know people make money doing it, but like, is the risk really worth the money that you are potentially gonna make? Because this is the first time of me hearing about this, so I don't think this is a common thing that's happening, but to me, it's just not worth it. Even if I did sell on Amazon, I don't sell on Amazon. I have no desire to sell on Amazon. But if I wanted to sell the stuff on Poshmark, I would just keep a few and ship it myself, because you do have ship time on Poshmark. You have to ship it out within a certain time frame. You have to get it to the customer. You need to know like what the quality of it is. It's just, to me, it's just creating more work and headache for yourself. So if you have this happen to you, I would encourage you to report the seller and, you know, just let Poshmark know that they're drop shipping stuff from Amazon, because that's just crazy to me that somebody is drop shipping stuff on Poshmark. If you have had this happen to you, definitely leave me a comment down below and let me know. But I'm glad like this person got their item and then they got a thank you card from the customer, so it all worked out. But this was just a very, very bizarre thing that happened that I wanted to share with you guys and let you just be aware that it's happening. And if you have thoughts on it, leave them in the comments for me. I'd love to hear them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't drop ship, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much. Bye.